crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how to crochet granny square number 5 with simple instruction. We have already seen many granny squares in our channel. If you're new to this channel, please go and check out that video. I have also uploaded basic crochet videos in my channel. If you're new to the crochet or you're new to this channel, please go and check out that video. Cluster stitch, double crochet and single crochet used in this pattern. Come, let's start our video. I'm using 4mm hook and normal decay on. Begin with split knot. From here do chain 4. After chain 4, insert the hook on the first chain and do split stitch. That's all. From here we're going to begin our round. We're going to use this central hole for the next round. Chain 1. Now insert the hook on the center hole and do single crochet. Insert the hook, pull a loop. Now you have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the 2 loops. That's all. We got our first single crochet. Like this single crochet we're going to do throughout this round. Totally we want to do 8 single crochets here. After 8 single crochet, insert the hook on the first single crochet stitch and do split stitch. That's all. After completing this round, now begin round 3 cluster stitch. Begin with chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet of first cluster stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook on the first single crochet stitch and pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops, leave it. Yarn over, insert and pull a loop. Again yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now it's third time. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now it's fourth time. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now we have got 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the 5 loops. That's all we have. We got our first cluster stitch. Now do 1 chain to secure our cluster stitch. That's all. It's in first cluster stitch, so we got 5 loops. To begin another cluster stitch, do chain 1. Insert the hook on the second single crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert and pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now it's third time. Yarn over, insert, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now it's fourth time. Yarn over, insert, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now is fifth time. Yarn over, insert, pull through first 2 loops. Now we got 6 loops. Now yarn over, pull through all the 6 loops. Now chain 1 to secure the cluster stitch. From here we are going to repeat this same cluster stitch throughout this round. To begin every new cluster stitch, do chain 1 and insert the hook on the next single crochet stitch. Insert the hook on the next single crochet stitch for 5 times. After you're getting 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 6 loops. Only on the first cluster stitch we will get 5 loops. After that we will get 6 loops. After completing the cluster stitch, secure your cluster stitch with 1 chain. Repeat chain 1, cluster stitch, chain 1 all over this round. Finally we will get 8 cluster stitch at the end of this round. After completing 8 cluster stitch, do split stitch inside the hook on the first cluster stitch and do split stitch. Now first turn off the yarn, chain 1, leave some yarn and cut, pull the yarn, pull this chain downwards, that's all. Now we're going to attach another color yarn in chain 1 space. From here we're going to begin our classic granny square pattern. From here do chain 3, this chain 3 indicate as 1 double crochet, and do another 2 double crochets stitches in the same chain 1 space. In every single space we are going to fill our double crochet stitches. Including 3 chains, we have 3 double crochet stitches. Now chain 1, insert the hook on the next chain 1 space and fill the space with 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 1 and again 3 double crochet stitches on the same space. For corner space we have to fill like this, 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches should have to come on the corner space. After filling this space, now chain 1, insert the hook on the next chain 1 space, fill the space with 3 double crochet stitches. You have to fill the middle space with 3 double crochet stitches. Before going to next space, do chain 1 and fill the next space. This is our corner space, so insert the hook on the next chain 1 space, fill this space with 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches. After completing this space, chain 1. Next is our middle space, so we have to do 3 double crochet stitches on the next chain 1 space. Now chain 1. Next is our corner space. Insert the hook on the next chain 1 space, do 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches on the next chain 1 space. Chain 1. Next is our middle space. Insert the hook and do 3 double crochet stitches on the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, insert the hook on the next space. This is our last and final corner space, so do 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches on the next space. We have completed our round. Now insert the hook on the third chain and do split stitch. Fasten off chain 1, leave some yarn, cut and pull this yarn, pull this chain downwards. That's all. We got our 4 corners. Now change the color. Attach this yarn in chain 1 space. In this round we will get 2 middle space. So in this first middle space, do 3 double crochet stitches. Begin with 3 chains. 3 chain, this 3 chain indicate as double crochet stitch. Now do double crochet stitches on the same space. Now we have 3 double crochet stitches including 3 chains. Chain 1, insert the hook on the next chain 1 space, do 3 double crochet stitches. After completing 3 double crochets, chain 1. Now we have to fill our corner space. Insert the hook on the chain 1 space and do 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches in this corner space. After completing corner space, chain 1, fill chain 1 space with 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 1, do another middle space, 3 double crochet stitches on the next chain 1 space. After completing chain 1, undo corner space with 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches in the corner space. That's all. We completed 2 corners. Now we have 2 middle. In this 2 middle we have to do 3 double crochet stitches. Before going to another 3 double crochet stitches, do 1 chain. After completing this round, do split stitch. And fasten off. That's all we have completed. Now sieve this all excess yarn with a crochet needle. That's all we have completed our granny square. Look how easy it is. You can also increase this square by filling this all the spaces, or for each and every round you will get one extra middle space. In middle space we have to do 3 double crochet stitches. At only on the corner space we have to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet stitches have to fill at the corner space. In middle you have to fill with 3 double crochet stitches. Before going to fill next space, do chain 1 and do 3 double crochet stitches. That's all. I hope you like this video. If you like this video or you like my way of explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.